Hi, welcome to RoxyBrowser channel. Most people may not realize this fact. In a fingerprint browser, proxies matter more for efficiency than any other setting. A proxy allows you to spoof your real IP address, so websites see each profile as having a separate IP, helping protect your privacy and prevent detection. RoxyBrowser allows you to use built-in proxies or connect external proxies from third-party services to your profiles. With our built-in proxy store, you can get exclusive and high-quality proxies from verified providers with ease. First, open the proxy panel. Go to the proxy store and click Purchase. All proxy providers that have passed RoxyBrowser's security verification will be displayed here, and more providers will be added in the future. Simply choose the proxy country or region. Select the duration and quantity, then specify the purpose. The proxy purchased in the store has unlimited traffic during the subscription period, and if purchased proxies are unable to connect, Roxy will support free replacement or refund, and complete payment using your Roxy wallet. After purchase, you will be redirected back to the proxy store panel and just refresh the page manually. You'll see the proxy is successfully set up. In the proxy store panel, you can see the status of the purchased proxy and complete renewals. You can also download them for use in third-party software here, all based on your needs. RoxyBrowser also allows you to add proxies to the proxy list, and there is no limit to the number of proxies you can add. In the proxy panel, click Add Proxy. Fill in the required fields manually, or use the intelligent recognition feature to auto-detect pasted proxy strings. Click Test Proxy, and if successful, you will see the proxy details. From the profiles list, you can easily add saved or purchased proxy to a profile with just a few clicks. It works the same when creating or editing a profile. If you are managing many proxies, bulk proxy importing can be helpful. In the Add Proxy panel, go to Batch Add. Paste multiple proxy entries into the input box and ensure they follow the correct format as shown in the example. By checking Automatic Duplication, duplicate proxies will not be added. Click Pass, and once testing is successful, save your proxies. By following these steps, you can easily select and apply proxies from the built-in store or third-party providers. That way, you can browse safely, stay undetectable, and enjoy uninterrupted, private online sessions every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and product updates. Check the video description for detailed guides and the RoxyBrowser download link. Hope this helped you get started.